D is the 4D. I'm doing 4D is 1 4 over 5 plus 6 2 over 3. So we have 1 plus 6 plus 4 over 5 plus 2 over 3. So we have 7 plus, here the common denominator for 5 and 3 is 15. 5 times 3, 4 times 3, it will be 12. 3 times 5 will be 15, so 2 times 5 will be 10. So it will be 7, 22 over 15. Or I can say 8, 22 minus 15 divided by 15. So 8, 7 divided by 15. Next one is E, 1 4/5 plus 6 2/3. Sorry, that's not E. The previous one was the same thing. So E is 34, 7 over 10 plus 16, 3 over 4. 34 plus 16 is 50. 7 over 10 plus 3/4. The common denominator for this one is 20. So we have 20. I need to multiply 7 by 2, so it will be 14. I need to, 4 times 5 will be 20, so 3 times 5 will be 15. So we have 50, 29 divided by 20, or I can say 51, 9 divided by 20. That is for E. F, 11, 1 over 2 plus 41, 3 over 5. So I will have 11 plus 41 is 52. We have 1 over 2 plus 3 over 5. So I need to have the common denominator. 5 and 2 is 10. So I have 5 plus 6. So I have 52, 11 over 10. So we have 53, 1 over 10. Because we have 11 over 10 and it is greater than this one. So 11 will be 10 plus 1. So 10 over 10 is 1. So I added with this one. The remaining will be 1 over 10. So actually if number 5 is saying they evaluate all the expressions in question 4. We already did that. I will start doing 6. Estimate the part A. 3 1 over 2 minus 1 over 1 times 1 over 5, so will be 2. 1 over 2 minus 1 over 5 will be 2. Common denominator will be 10. 2 times 5, 10. So we have 5 minus 2. So we have 2, 3 over 10. B, I will have 7, 3 over 4 minus 6, 1 over 3. 7 minus 6 is 1. So I have 3 over 4 minus 1 over 3. So I will have 12, 9, 4. So I will have 5 over 12. So 1, 5, 12. Then I have C, 8, 1 over 4 minus 2, 1 over 2. So 8 minus 2 plus 1 over 4 minus 1 over 2. So this one is 6 plus 1 over 4 minus 1 over 2. So since this one is less than this one, so I can say 5 plus 5 over 4 minus 1 over 2. So I can have 5 over 4 minus 2 over 4. So we will have 5, 3 over 4. That will be the answer. D, we have 4, 7, 8 minus 3, 8, 9. That will be 1, 7, 8 minus 8 over 9. It will be 72, 63 minus 64. So we have 1 minus 1, 72. So I have 72 minus 1 divided by 72. So the answer will be 71 divided by 72. E is 29, 5 over 8 minus 23, 7 divided by 16. 29 minus 23 is 6. 5 over 8 minus 7 over 16. So I have common denominator, so it will be 16. 8 times 2 is 16, so 10 minus 7. So I have 6, 3 over 16. F, we have 42. 42. So we have 42 minus 16. 1 over 2 minus 2 over 3. So we will have 26 here. 1 over 2 minus 2 over 3. I need to have the common denominator, which is 6. 2 times 6. 2 times 3 is 6. 3 times 2 is 6. So it's going to be 4. So it's going to be 26, negative 1, 6. So, or I can write 25, 5 over 6. So, question 8, it says, Zofia spent for 1/3 hour weeding her garden on Monday and 1/4/5 hour on Tuesday. How many hours did she spend weeding her garden altogether? So that's the time she spent on Monday, that's the time she spent on Tuesday. So I need to add them together. So I will have 4, 1 over 3 plus 1, 4/5. So I will have 4 plus 1 plus 1/3 plus 4/5. So I have 5 plus common denominator. 3 times 5 is 50. 5 times 3 is 50. So I have 12. So 5, 17, 15. Since the numerator is greater than denominator, so I can take 1 out, so make it 6, and the remaining 17 minus 15 is 2, so it will be 6/2 over 15 hours she spent altogether. That's the question 8. Question 9. Alexis left her house at 7:45 p.m. to go shopping for clothes. She returned at 10:30 p.m. Express the time in hours that Alexis spent away from home. So I can say 10, 1 over 2 minus 7, 3/4. So when I subtract 10, 1 over 2 minus 7, 3 over 4. So I have 10 minus 7, 1 over 2 minus 3 over 4. So I have 3 plus 2 over 1 over 2 is the same as 2 over 4 minus 3 over 4. So I have 3 plus negative 1 over 4 or 2, 3 over 4. Why? Because it will be like 2 plus 4 over 4 minus 1 over 4. It will be 2, 3 over 4. That will be the answer. That will be the time in hours that Alexis spent away from home. 2, 3/4 or 2 hours, 45 minutes. Part B, it says, if Alexis spends 1.5 hours shopping for clothes, then how much time did she spend doing other things? So we have 2, 3/4 minus 1.5. So 2 minus 1 and 3 over 4 minus 1 over 2. So I have 1 plus 3 over 4 minus 2 over 4. So I have 1 and 1/4. So it will be 1 hour